Hello, one and all present here. I am Mohit Malhotra, legal intern at Lexis and Company, and would be highlighting the major points of the Sika Act. Actually, why was Sika Act struck down? So here comes the first one, which is the Sika Act, which stands for the Sikh Industrial Companies Special Provision Act, was struck down due to constitutional concerns and its inability to effectively address the issue of Sikh industrial companies in India. This act was enacted in 1985 with the aim of reviving and rehabilitating fina- financially distressed industrial companies. So, the Supreme Court of India declared the Sika Act as unconstitutional in April 2019, stated that it violated the principles of equality before the law and arbitrary state actions guaranteed under the Indian Constitution. The court found that Sika Act created a discriminatory framework by treating Sikh companies differently based on their ownership, as it applies only to certain categories of companies. The Act granted wide ranging powers to the Board for Industrial and Financial Reconstruction, that is BIFR, and its appellate body, it's AAIFR, to take over the management of companies, which raised concerns about potential misuse and abuse of power. Over the time, the Sika Act proved to be ineffective in achieving its objectives, leading to a large number of cases pending before the BIFR, resulting in delays and further deterioration of Sikh companies. So the court's decision to strike down the Sikh Act opened the way for the government to introduce a new framework to address the issue of Sikh companies more effectively. The new framework introduced under the Insolvency and Bankruptcy Code, that is IBC, in 2016 provides a time-bound and streamlined process for resolving insolvency cases, including those of Sikh companies. He aims to promote faster resolution of distressed companies and maximize the value of their assets through a transparent and competitive process. The striking down of Sika Act and implementation of IBC represent a shift towards a more modern and comprehensive approach to dealing with the Sikh companies' industrial units in India. So here I am ending this video. I hope you liked it. So if any one of you have doubt regarding the same, do let me know in the comment box, for which I'll try to reach in it in no time.